Okay, so once you've gotten back to this point, you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strands of hair. You're just going to make one more slip stitch into that very first chain stitch. And so then just pull through, and the hair is all done. It's kind of a tangle. There we go. So now we're just gonna fasten off. So just make a nice long yarn tail. You can go back and forth 3 times if you want, but you can also just make a long one. You have plenty of yarn left, so. And cut it, and then you're just gonna pull through to fasten off. Oop, got a little caught. Okay, your hair is all done. It doesn't look quite as twisted as the picture, but you can take it and like twist it yourself to add more twisties into it. See how it will kind of curl a little more, so you can take it and twist it in. Okay, now we're gonna sew it onto the body. So you're gonna take your yarn tail, your long yarn tail. You have 2. You have your first one, which will also sew that into the body as well. And you're gonna just thread the needle, get your little animal here. It says between rounds 2 and 3. So I'm guessing it kind of mean like that, kind of like a round. Let's see, let me get the picture. Yeah, it's supposed to kind of cover his eyes a little bit. So we'll just start about the same place between the horns. So we'll just go in and out, following this round and out. Sorry, I keep bumping it. In and out, and then you'll come up through this like next open spot right here. Kind of trying to go through that first, my gosh, I'm so sorry. Foundation chain. So we're not going through all the slip stitches, but you see where like this is your foundation chain right here. So that's what you're going under. And then I'm gonna go back in the stitch and come out. Oh my God. Then you'll go to the next one. So grab this one. Don't pull the hair in. I'm so sorry, my stand is right here. Okay. Pull this and go in and out next to it. And then go to the next one. And I mean, you don't have to be like it, you just sew it on. Like, no one's gonna be able to tell if you sewed it perfectly. So if you grab in the, like a little bit of the wrong place, it's okay. Just make sure you're sewing it into the head the way you like it. And not grabbing the hair like that. And grab the next piece. And the hair is crazy. Okay. And just 2 more stitches until it's sewed in. And just go to the next one. Over. Make sure the hair doesn't get caught. Okay, and last stitch so it's not sticking up. And just stick it in and down the back. Okay, now you can see what you think. So there he is. You can try to curl the pieces a little bit more. And then, oh yeah, then you're gonna take this last yarn tail too. Also just stick it into his head so that it disappears. Here's kind of sticking up right here, so I'm actually gonna just slide it through this, like more of the front. And then just push it down right here so that it stays down, because I don't like how it's sticking out. And that's the thing with sewing too. If you're just working in the same color, you can add something like that, so people aren't gonna be able to tell. Okay, so cute. Just cut off the last two things. Sorry, don't snip through. He is almost done. We just have to add the nose.